Exploring the Wild West of Words, Understanding Horse Opera. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating and somewhat quirky phrase in the English language, horse opera. This term might sound strange at first, but it's a fun part of English idiomatic expressions. So, saddle up as we explore what horse opera means, its origins, and how it's used in modern English. Horse opera is an informal, somewhat humorous term. It refers to a television or movie genre, specifically westerns. These are the stories set in the American West during the late 19th century, often featuring cowboys, horses, gunslingers, and dramatic landscapes. The term combines horse, signifying the importance of horses in these stories, and opera, which here is used to imply a dramatic, over-the-top storytelling style. The phrase, horse opera, emerged in the early 20th century. It was a playful way to describe the dramatic, sometimes melodramatic, nature of Western films. These films were among the first genres to gain popularity in early cinema, and the term, opera, in this context is used somewhat ironically, as these westerns were often low-budget and not as highbrow as traditional operas. Today, horse opera is used in a nostalgic or humorous context. It's often employed to evoke the feel of classic Western movies or to describe a situation that is overly dramatic or cliched, similar to these old films. It's not as commonly used in everyday conversation but can be found in writing or discussions about film genres, especially when referring to classic or old-fashioned westerns. So, there you have it, the story behind the phrase, horse opera. It's a quirky and colorful part of the English language that connects us to a bygone era of cinema. Remember, English is full of such unique expressions, and each one has its own fascinating history. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep exploring the rich landscape of the English language, and until next time, happy learning!